It was worth it for so many different reasons.
It's really fun. I mean, I bragged about it.
This is a really good way to infuse STEM into your classroom. This is a really good way to push your learning so that you can push your kids.
In the summer of 2016, a collaboration between the Institute for Systems Biology and the UW College of Engineering kicked off the K12 Engineering Scholars program for 4th through 8th grade teachers to come and spend 6 weeks in a maker space, learning about engineering and really exploring what it means to be makers.
I thought engineering was people sitting in cubicles designing things to specification.
A lot of my students were kind of scared of it. They always wanted to get it the first time and not fail.
This program gives our teachers the ability to come onto the university, come to the College of Engineering, work in my lab, and get a sense of what engineering is really like from a student perspective. Basically treated the teachers like, you're a bunch of freshmen, you're going to do introduction to engineering, you're interested in engineering, you want to know what engineering is all about. So that's our strategy. We run the teachers through a bunch of fundamental tools that we expect all our engineering students to learn. For instance, CAD. How do you do computer-aided design? What is it used for? 3D printed, rapid prototyping. How do you make a new device? Some programming. How do you program an Arduino to make objects move? So that's a basic fundamental tools that we use.
The first activity that the teachers worked on was building a car that was propelled by gravity. And they started with a kind of bare bones car that ran on the weight of pennies and set up some criteria and constraints.
I was kind of surprised at how much time they gave us to like 2 weeks to work on the gravity car. Really, 2 weeks? But then what was nice was that gave you the opportunity to really test out new things.
It's been very, very valuable in my teaching for this year.
You know, students really form an identity as to whether or not they like math, whether or not they like science around 5th or 6th grade. It's really important to engage with that population, with the students in that age group, and with the teachers in that age group.
Yeah, this is a really good program, and this is a really good way to get to know the NGSS, and you work with really good people. They really know what they're doing.